Right, so what we're going to be doing is a DNS. Right, so we've got somebody here. Right, see how many we've got now. We've got 8 people. There you go, chippers. It's online. I'm just trying to connect the DNS. So that's the next step, the DNS. Done four different tests today, and currently have the website domain and Netlify, who's going to host it, all on the top bar. So yes. If I can afford to go, I will. So currently, I'm just waiting for a few more people coming in so that we can progress. But okay. Right, as you can see, domain is there. Name servers is there. Okay. Now, if you see how we have this here, these two here, and then this one here. Done this 4 times and sends a code to your mobile, and you see it says about 4 different things. Where is it? Where's that page? Right, so why did I do that bit? Why? Okay. Domains, settings. Right. So it's got DNS records here, and it's saying no records are set up. Yeah. So what it's asked me to do earlier was them into the register. Now, what I've done earlier is I copied each one onto clipboard. Because I've got the receipts for the work that's been done. That's all sorted out. So I'm wondering, why is the 4 of them there? And where is it? Is it that one? No. Oh. Yeah. So do I type in there Geordie Nation, or do I highlight these? Because the other one is here. There. Yeah, well, I did that earlier, and there's lots of more information on clipboard. Let's try this. See, that's the new one there, Netlify, and that said it would be an hour. Second. Where's my clipboard? Clipboard settings. Right. That's Windows key plus V. Right, okay. Windows key plus V. So I've got both codes there on clipboard. It wasn't this hard the last time. Unless I try doing something else. Right. This shouldn't be that hard. Really shouldn't. Yeah, it wasn't this hard the last time. Oh, right. Just a call away. Right. Okay. No, that page doesn't exist. Okay. Try the support one. Right, I've got a telephone number. 0345 450 2310. It might help giving them a ring and saying, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 blooming windows open. And that ain't me. Not 15. Oh. But I got all my receipts today. And there's 2 saved things on clipboard. One's the app and the other is the HTML files, to make that easier. Yeah. Damn, it's hot, man. Anybody else baking? Damn, man. So, yes, it's been a bit of a busy day. As this DNS, I've done that 4 bloody times to verify it. Let's see what sentence. Yeah, so they said earlier it might take an hour, and the first one was connected to my Facebook, Geordie Nation, and I changed that. It's just trying to get the fine details sorted out. So what I'll do is I'll contact them at 123 Reg and get talked through doing the transfer. So like what Netlify's asking for their DNS, and then we'll do that, and then they're both connected. That's the blooming issue at the moment. Yeah. But it went this morning. There should be a back end. If there's a front end, there should be a back end. I will go back into Claude. It said everything had been tested, and from the first prompt this morning, I had three times where it came up with an error, and I went fix the error. So I did that eventually, because there was nothing on the container side, and then boosh, there was something on the container side, and went in and did the video this morning, and that's why I paid the money. So the main issue is the DNS code for Netlify needs to connect with 123 Reg. That's where we are right now. But just to show you, everything works. It took some time to do that, because that bit there wasn't dark. It was much later. And as you can see there, £30 minimum, up to 200 for advertising. And yeah, can't go any further down on that. Where is it? Refresh. Right. Yeah, so that was done earlier, and Yeah, I've got all, this is the daft bit. I've got all the instructions here. Access your control panel for 123. Right. This is what it's saying to configure your domain. In your dashboard, domain management, find your domain, ensure it's pointing to the hosting space. Look for DNS management or name servers, and they should point to hosting servers. Usually it's automatic. Dun, 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 dun. Because those name servers, they've all been copied. Because the bottom bit, there's only two bits there. The name servers in danger zone on the screen that we're on in a minute, which is DNS settings. Right, so that's copied. Right, let's have a little check here. I'm going to come back to the screen in a moment. I'm just trying to do something. Right, how's it doing that? Damn, man. Hmm. Pardon me. Right. So delete. Hmm. Okay. Right, so take that one, delete it. Delete that one. Copy, paste, delete. That one's gone. Right. So the four things which came through the emails, I'm going to ring the number attached to that and get them to walk me through it, and then it's done. And then Seeking You can go in the morning. Oh, there's just this the DNS part which has scrambled, but do have the receipts for Geordie Nation. It's just putting two things together. Netlify and 123 need to come together. Now once that's done, boosh. An automatic subdomain can be customized. Okay. Anyway, yeah. So it's been an interesting day. Trying to figure out and learn this DNS thing. So, and with Seeking You being on Lovable, hopefully that's easier. Hopefully. And then that would be 2. That's done this weekend. Right. So got 29 people in here and only 5 likes. Ooh, wow. The thing what I'm going to do is there's a telephone number. It's 0345. I'm going to ring them and just say, you might laugh, but I need help with a DNS from one to the other to connect them both up, and just maybe walk me through it. Then everything's connected. I post the link, and then everybody can go in and create your account. Yeah, that's what we're all here for. And then I can move on to Seeking You tomorrow. Rome was not built in a day, and I'm building it. Right. Bag of my pudding. You see, one thing it said you could do it by as well was the API. And yeah, the API settings. And what I've done is each of these, every single one, which it just keeps on going up and up and up and up and up and up and up, right way to here. All of these have been copied, every single one. Well, it's all I can say to you all is this, right? It's a learning process, and that's the reason why when I was at the college, it was to learn all the aspects, not just about like buy a domain, stick the code to it and launch. There's other bits and pieces to it. What? A rat's tail? No, it's rather shaved head. Right. So I've got 2 different codes. One's for the app, the other is for the HTML. They're on clipboard. And the only issue I have is the DNS needs to be from Netlify to 123 reg, and it's asked me to do 4 of them. And when I ring them up, I'll just say to them, yeah, can you walk me through this? And then everything is hunky-dory. They're going to be £18 a month forever. Well, the reason why is because, like I say, there's complex bits to building a site and deploying it. Yeah, well, Claude's given me the instructions. It's just bending my head round the instructions, which is why I've got like that many windows open on the laptop. I'd never ever have that many windows open. I normally have like 3, maybe 4, if that. And there's over 10 windows at the moment. Bok is saying, Paul, on the link you posted earlier, it shows the code. I looked at it and it doesn't have a back end. Well, the host is Netlify. So when I'm ringing them, I can also inquire about the back end because they are the back end. Because the Reg 123, that only does your domain and nothing else, you know? Thanks, AE. Like I say, I mean, there's altogether, they've got like there's 3 apps. The Mighty Magpie show is going to be using Magic Light because you can do half hours worth of footage. And also, what I've got today, I tried to better it. Didn't quite work though. What I've got it downloaded at the moment is I have 2 magpies inside a football stadium, and they kind of fly together like that. One flies like that, and the other one flies the other way. It's just I'm not quite happy with it. And when I typed it in, St James's Park, it went there's a problem. So that's why I like didn't put the stadium name in. I just put football stadium, and that is for the intro of doing the videos, like doing lives and stuff like that. But because there should now be 4 different designs on the, which one was it again? Invata or Invoto or something like that it's called, where you give it the image or you tell it the image and what you want. But Magic Light's a little bit different. Oh yeah. Ow, ow, ow. Ow. I got a cross bloody eyelash. Aha, sorted. So, got the receipts for Geordie Nation. Code has been checked. I will speak to Netlify because they're the host about the back end. Do I need to add anything like the database, etc., which really should be in the code because the code took long enough. I can't, Peter. But you know, one thing has happened today that it's been tested. You've seen the video. It it appears to be working. Because I was able to create an account, and I was like, yeah, that'll do. I will be. It's just I can't do it while I'm speaking to you good people. I've already heard bark bark, there is no back end. I've already heard that. And that's why I said I will speak to Netlify, who are doing the hosting, and say there's apparently no the what's it called again? SQL and database. I think that is for your back end. Would that be correct? So, um, yeah. Let's hope we can get this done this weekend, both live, and then I can work on the Mighty Magpie show during Monday onwards. And then we've got 3 up. Well, here's the thing, right? What I'm currently looking at in the next so many, well, in a short space of time, my brother's trying to get me an upgrade for a faster computer, and that I can use the one I'm currently on for streaming because we've already opened up the Discord. And when I'm not doing both of these apps, I'll be doing streaming on Twitch and YouTube of the games which I'm playing. So it adds another bit of content, bit of entertainment. Benny, what do you think what do you honestly think I'm trying to do? I'm spending money, Benny. I'm using the most powerful AI on planet Earth to write the code. There is nothing apart from open AI that is the England under 21s in 18 minutes. Thank you, Steve-O. Thank you. Is that the men's or is that the women's? Because I was watching the men's play the other day and they were bloody good, man. You're not spending money. Benny, are you totally stupid? Excuse me, are you totally stupid? The domain costs money. The code which was written costs money. And Gordon Bennett, man. Really? Right. So On your way out this evening, on the Saturday evening where it is absolutely baking hot and it's going to get hotter, can you please smash the like? Because I think I'm bringing to you something that's never happened before. So please, on your way out, smash the like and spread the word. And we'll see you first thing in the morning. I may go live before 11:30. I may. So thank you all for coming in, and please don't be stupid about saying I'm not spending money when I've got receipts. So there we go. Thank you all, and have a wonderful evening.